Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing niches that actually convert. Search keywords and study buyer intent to confirm demand. Once done, pick 3 product types with good commissions and manageable returns because you want revenue, not headaches. Next, outline 1 to 2 video concepts per product. Think review, tutorial, and comparison so you can batch production. Make sure to target buyer queries and map each video to a conversion goal. This early focus saves time when you start creating footage. You now gather the actual footage, record product close-ups, B-roll, and talking head segments with steady framing and clear audio. Once done, supplement with licensed stock clips or hire creators for user-generated content style shots. Always confirm usage rights and duration. Make shot lists and batch record in 1 or 2 sessions to maintain consistent energy and lighting. Then, organize files with descriptive names so editing is fast. This saves hours when you assemble multiple affiliate videos. You finish by editing concise videos that lead to action. Tight pacing, clear CTAs, and on-screen overlays pointing to your affiliate link in the description. Once published, a /B test thumbnails, titles, and CTAs while tracking clicks with UTM tags so you know what converts. Make sure to repurpose long-form into short clips for social distribution to increase reach. If performance stalls, check link tracking, landing page speed, and copyright claims. Fixing those usually restores conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.